Hi guys, here Jenny from All In Channels. Today I will take a very cool gift for the Halloween. Here, let me in my hand, you can see the white ghost. Okay, you can see. Okay, let me introduce in details. Okay, you can see the candle is made by paraffin wax and cotton wick. And you can see inside is a red color and outside is white color, and you can see on my side there is a black color. Okay, and you can see the appearance it seems like the Ghost Rider in the film. Maybe your children will like it very much in the Halloween. Okay, what I want to say is the burning. Okay, you can see the burning, especially in the dark. In the night, at night, when the candle light and then the candle melt in the liquid, and the liquid will burn out. Okay, when in the Halloween day, when you burn the candle, light the candle, and the wax will melt, and then the wax will out. And it seems the ghost is with tears. It's very horrible. Okay, as you can see, white color and black color and red colors inside. Light it, and the red colors will flow out from the eyes. Okay, so it's a very cool gift. Come to All In Channel and buy one for your children.